Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use string formatting in Python. We'll start with the basics, showing you how to insert values into strings for clear and dynamic output. This is essential for displaying information, generating reports, or creating user-friendly messages. Mastering these techniques will make your Python code more efficient and easier to read. Let's dive into the core concepts and get you started right away. F-strings, introduced in Python 3.6, provide a powerful and readable way to format strings. Simply prefix your string with an F, and then place any variable or expression directly inside curly braces within the string. This method is highly efficient and often preferred for its clarity. You can even include function calls or arithmetic operations right inside the braces, making your code very expressive. Before F-strings, the format method was the standard for advanced string formatting. You define placeholders using curly braces within your string, then call format on the string, passing the values you want to insert. You can specify the order of arguments or even name them for greater clarity. This method is still widely used and provides excellent control over output presentation. Beyond basic insertion, Python's formatting tools allow for advanced control over your output. You can specify precision for floating point numbers, align text within a given width, or pad strings with specific characters. For example, you can display a number with 2 decimal places or format it as a percentage. These features ensure your data is presented exactly as needed. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.